Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to deactivate your TikTok account on iPhone. So first open up TikTok and then on your profile section, go to your profile section and right here on the top right corner of the screen, click on these three lines. Click on settings and privacy, the last option, and then go to account, and then on the last option you can see deactivate or delete account. Click on this option. Click on deactivate account and click on deactivate. Then you have to verify your account, and if you log into your account will be deactivated. So that's it. If I click on continue with Google, my account will be logged in and it will be deactivated. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.